Hey kindergarten, it is Mrs. Sharani from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. How are you guys doing today? Well, I hope that you are doing really well and are excited for another math lesson because I am excited to teach it to you. Today we're going to be working on counting 4, 5, and 6, and then we're also going to be working on writing the number 6. So for today's lesson, if you have something to write on and something to write with, that would be great. Maybe a whiteboard or a piece of scrap paper, colored pencil, whatever you have. If you have something to practice writing the number 6, that would be great. And if you want to have something to like count with, something small to kind of count with, we're going to put things in a circle and take things out of a pretend bag. So we'll have fun doing that if you want to gather some of those supplies. All right, we are ready to get started. We'll start off with quick fluency. We'll do a quick application problem. We will do our concept development. We'll talk about what we learned, and then you guys will get to do your exit ticket. All right, so let's get started. I'll share my screen with you. And here we go. Module number 1, lesson 18. 18 is 10 and 8. That makes 18. So our goal for the day is to count 4 through 6 objects. So that means like sets that have 4, 5, or 6 in them. And we'll count them when they're scattered, and then we'll put them in a circle. And we'll focus on the number 6 and writing that. And we'll write numbers 1 through 6 in order. All right, here we go. Let's play beep number. So I'm going to count, and then you can follow along on the number path with me right here. This is a number path. It kind of looks like a sidewalk. We walk on sidewalks. So I call this a number path. I'll, instead of saying one number, I'll say beep. And when I'm finished, you can tell me what number I skipped, what number I beeped. So for example, if I said 1, 2, beep, 4, you would know that I skipped the number 3. 1, 2, beep, 4, skipped the number 3. All right, so you follow along on the number path, and then you'll quickly be able to tell which number I beeped. Okay, here we go. And sometimes I might start at 1, sometimes I might start at 6 and count, sometimes I might start at 4 and count, sometimes I might start at 7 and count down. You never know. All right, you gotta stay on your toes. We'll do 4 of these. We'll guess 4. Okay, here we go. 3, beep, 5, 6. 3, beep, 5, 6. What number did I beep? Blurt it out. 4, you got it. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do 3 more. 3 more. Ready? 5, beep, 3, 2. 5, beep, 3, 2. What number did I beep? 4 again. You got it. I was counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Counting down. Okay, let's do 2 more. 2, 3, 4, beep. 2, 3, 4, beep. 5, you got it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, let's do 1 more. Beep. 2, 3, 4. Beep. 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. All right, let's get right into our application problem. Okay, so if you have something to count with, do this along with me. If not, just watch with me and pretend you're moving your finger too. Let's make a row of 3 dots. Remember, rows go across. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's a row, horizontal, goes across. Now make another row with 3 dots right under the first row. Ooh, so I'm gonna take a dot. I'm gonna give each one a partner here. That dot has a friend now. That dot has a friend too. And this dot has a friend. Okay, so I have 1 row of 3 on top, 1 row of 3 on the bottom. How many do I have all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 6 all together, 6 dots, and that's the number we're going to be working with today a lot. Okay, let's get into our concept development. Okay, so I have a bag here with some magic beans inside of them. Pretend to shake up that magic bean bag with me. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to count 4 beans out and put them in this cup right here. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I take out all the beans? No, there's still some left. We'll use those later, don't worry. So I have 4 right here in my cup. Now shake them up, shake them up, shake them up. All right, now I'm gonna put these in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I still have 4? Yeah, I still have 4. I just moved them from one place to another place, but I still have 4 dots, or four beans, I should say. Okay, now let's move the beans around to the edge of this circle, kind of making like a bracelet or a necklace. Do I still have 4 now? Yeah, I do. I don't even have to count again. I took 4 out of that and moved them to the cup. I put it around the circle. Still 4 every single time. Okay, let's do the next one. Now let's count out 5. So 1 more. 4. 1 more is 5. Okay, so let's take out 5 and we'll put them in the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Now let's put them in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's put them around the edge. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. All right, I counted out 5. Okay, let's double check that we have 5 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm doing it again. Remember I did this before? Sometimes I make this mistake. How do I know when to stop counting? Because I know I just keep on counting. How do I know when to stop? I think I have to make like a marker of some sort, or no, tell myself where I'm going to stop. Okay, let's see. So you see this little white thing right here? Let's make that where I started, because I see a little white line. That could be an easy marker, and that will tell me stop counting when you see this line. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. See that line? So I have 5. Okay, phew, I have 5. I thought I took out too many. I was confused. Remember, in math, it's always good to double check your work all the time. All the time, check your work. Okay, let's do the next one. Ooh, now help me count out 6. And you guys are so good at putting them in the cup and then putting them in the circle. Let's put them right on the edge of the circle this time. All right, count with me. 6 this time. 1, 2. Whoa, whoa. That bean was a little silly. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's double check that we have 6. And I see a little mark right here. So this is where I'm going to start counting, and this is where I'll stop because I see a mark right there. Okay, here we go. Count with me to make sure I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Okay, 6. I do have 6. Great work. All right, now we're going to practice writing the number 6. So if you have something to write on and write with, get it out right now. If you don't, you can just write in the air with me. That is totally fine. And we'll practice writing in the air or practice writing on your paper or whatever you're writing with, okay? So this is the number 6. I'm going to get out a pen. I'll use red today. And first, make it in the air with me, okay? This is a funny poem. Poems usually rhyme. They're really short. I like this one. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. fix 6 rhyming words. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. There we go. That's a good one. All right. Where'd my pen go? Come back here, Red. Okay, ready? Write with me. Monkey's tail needs a 6. Come on, let's make a 6. Another one that I've heard too, another poem that I sometimes say is, down to a hoop, 6 rows a loop. It's kind of a curvy number, huh? Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. It kind of looks like a lowercase b too, doesn't it? But a lowercase b is pretty straight here, like that. Lowercase b is kind of straight. 6 is a little more curvy. These 6s, I don't always love those 6s. These ones look more like these to me. I like when people make their 6s a little curvier, and then you can really tell it's a 6. I like that one a little bit better. All right, let me show you our problem set now. And if you wrote some 6s, take a picture of them and send them to me or send them to your teacher. I would love to see your 6s. All right, let me show you our Google form, and we'll talk about what we learned as we wrap up. Here we are. Okay, so you are going to look at the picture here and then count how many and choose. Look at the picture, count how many, choose. That's it. Easy enough, huh? I can't wait to see how you guys do. All right, so we counted groups of 4, 5, and 6 today. We practiced writing the number 6, and you're going to show me how you can count and record how many. Good work today, guys. I'll be back next time with lesson number 19. Have a lovely day. Adios.